study chapter number 2, Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of remaining two sides. This is called Pythagoras theorem. Pythagorean triplet. In a triplet of natural numbers, if the square of the largest number is equal to the sum of the square of remaining two numbers, then the triplet is called Pythagorean triplet. For example, 11, 60, 61. Largest number A is equal to 61. Remaining number B is equal to 11 and C is equal to 60. Therefore, A square is equal to 61 square. 61 square 3721 is the value of A square. Equation number 1. Square of remaining two sides. B square plus C square. 11 square plus 60 square. 11 square 121. 60 square 3600. B square plus C square. This is equation number 2. From 1 and 2. A square is equal to B square plus C square. Square of largest number is equal to sum of the square of remaining two numbers. Therefore, 11, 60, 61. Pythagorean. If A and B are natural number, A greater than B, then A square plus B square, A square minus B square, 2AB is called Pythagorean triplet. Means if A greater than B, A square plus B square, A square minus B square, twice AB. Pythagorean. Triplet. Suppose A is equal to 5, B is equal to 4. Then value of A square plus B square. 5 square plus 4 square. 25 plus 16 is equal to 141. A square plus B square. Second, A square minus B square. 5 square minus 4 square. 25 minus 16 is equal to 9. A square minus B square. Number third, twice AB is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4. 2 5s are 10, 10 4s are 40. 41, 9 and 40 is a Pythagorean triplet. Student, last year we have studied the properties of right angle triangle with the angle 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree and 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree. Properties of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle. If acute angle of a right angle triangle are 30 degree and 60 degree, then side opposite to 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse and side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 by 2 times hypotenuse. If the acute angle of a right angle triangle are 45 degree, 45 degree, then each of the perpendicular side is 1 upon root 2 times hypotenuse. Similarity and right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then the two triangles form are similar to the original triangle and to each other. This is right angle triangle. This is perpendicular segment A, B, C. This is D. given. In triangle ABC, measure of angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Segment BD perpendicular segment AC, A dash D dash C. To prove triangle ABC similar triangle ADB. Number second, triangle ABC similar triangle BDC. Number third, triangle ADB similar triangle BDC. Proof. First, in triangle ABC and triangle ADB, angle A congruent angle A. This is common angle. Angle B congruent angle D, each of 90 degree. Therefore, triangle ABC similar triangle ADB. This is equation number 1 by AA test. These two triangles are similar. Number second, in triangle ABC and triangle BDC, angle B congruent angle D, each of 90 degree. Angle C congruent angle C, this is common angle. Therefore, triangle ABC similar triangle BDC. This is equation number second by AA test. These two triangles are similar. Number third, from 1 and 2, triangle ADB similar triangle BDC. Hence proof. Theorem of geometric mean. In a right angle triangle, the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex is the geometric mean of the segment into which the hypotenuse is divided. In triangle ABC, measure of angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Segment BD perpendicular segment AC. Therefore, BD square is equal to AD multiplied by DC. Therefore, segment BD is called geometric mean of segment AD and segment DC. Pythagoras theorem. In the right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of remaining two sides. This is right angle triangle. ABC given. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. To prove hypotenuse square means AC square is equal to sum of the square of remaining two sides AB square plus BC square. Construction. Draw segment BD perpendicular segment AC. Construction. Segment BD perpendicular segment AC. In triangle ABC, measure of angle B is equal to 90 degree and segment BD perpendicular segment AC. Therefore, by similarity and right angle triangle, triangle ABC, similar triangle ADB, similar triangle BDC. Triangle ABC, similar triangle ADB means corresponding sides are proportional. AB upon AD is equal to BC upon DB is equal to AC upon AB. Corresponding sides of similar triangle. Therefore, by first and third ratio, AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AB. By cross multiplication, AB multiplied by AB is equal to AD multiplied by AC. Therefore, AB square is equal to AD multiplied by AC. This is equation number 1. Similarly, triangle ABC, similar triangle BDC. Therefore, AB upon BD is equal to BC upon DC is equal to AC upon BC. Corresponding sides of similar triangle. Therefore, from second and third ratio, BC upon DC is equal to AC upon BC. By cross multiplication, BC multiplied by BC is equal to DC multiplied by AC. Therefore, BC square is equal to DC multiplied by AC. This is equation number 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. AB square plus BC square is equal to AD multiplied by AC plus DC multiplied by AC. AC common means AD plus DC into AC. From figure, AD plus DC is equal to AC multiplied by AC because A dash D dash C. These 3 points are collinear. AC into AC, AC square. This is the value of AB square plus BC square. Therefore, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of remaining 2 sides. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, कॉन्व्हर्सचे प्रूफ पेपरमध्ये विचारले जात नाही, परंतु प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करण्यासाठी कॉन्व्हर्स माहित असणे आवश्यक आहे. त्याकरता आपण पाहणार आहोत कॉन्व्हर्स ऑफ पायथागोरस थेरम. इन अ ट्रायंगल, if the square of one side is equal to the sum of the square of the remaining 2 sides, then the triangle is a right angle triangle. Remember this. Number first, similarity and right angle triangle. In triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Segment QS perpendicular segment PR. Triangle PQR, similar triangle PSQ, similar triangle QSR. All the right angle triangle in the figure are similar to one another. Number second, theorem of geometric mean. In above figure, triangle PSQ, similar triangle QSR. Therefore, QS square is equal to PS multiplied by SR. Therefore, segment QS is the geometric mean of the segment PS and segment SR. Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of remaining 2 sides. Number third, converse of Pythagoras theorem. In a triangle, if the square of one side is equal to the sum of the square of the remaining 2 sides, then the triangle is a right angle triangle. Number 4, let us remember one more very useful property. In a right angle triangle, if one side is half of the hypotenuse, then the angle opposite to that side is 30 degree. This is the property of the converse of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree theorem.